Hi, I'm Dr. Felix, and I wanted to share how Epical Health helped me take the next step in my healthcare career. As a nurse, I was ready to move into a more impactful role, and their online clinical documentation integrity program was exactly what I needed. It's 100% online, flexible, and led by experienced mentors who truly understand the field. I got real-time support, practical resources, and guidance that gave me the confidence to transition into a leadership path in healthcare. What I love most is the geographic flexibility. I can live where the cost of living is lower while earning a nationally competitive salary. That's real financial freedom. And even working from home, my impact is felt across hospitals. As a remote CDI specialist, I know I'm making a difference without being on the front lines. If you're thinking about a career shift or want to grow beyond bedside care, I highly recommend Epical Health. It's more than a course, it's a career boost.